The Blackview BV9300 Pro versus the BV9300. What are the differences and similarities between both rugged phones? In this video, we are going to point them out. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's compare the specs of both rugged devices. So both the BV9300 Pro and the BV9300 would be available in black, green and orange colors. The design of both devices are quite similar, but the BV9300 Pro has a rear display while the BV9300 doesn't. The 9300 Pro has a thickness of 22.8mm and it weighs 525 grams, while the BV9300 is 22.8mm thick and it weighs 520 grams. The 9300 Pro run on the Android 13 operating system, and on top is Blackview's custom skin, the DocOS 4.0, while the BV9300 run on the Android 12 operating system with Blackview's outdated DocOS 3.1 custom skin on top. Both devices features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz dynamic refresh rate display with the Gorilla Glass 5 protection, except for the fact that the BV9300 Pro has a 1.3-inch additional rear display that is also protected by the Gorilla Glass 5. Both devices are powered by the Helio G99 paired with 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, which means both devices have the same memory. Both devices pack a 15,080 mAh battery and they both support 33 watts fast charging. Let's talk about cameras. So the BV9300 Pro features a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP primary sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide angle lens, and the front-facing camera is 32MP, while the BV9300 features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP primary sensor, it is a Samsung GN1 sensor, followed by an 8MP ultra-wide angle lens and a 2MP depth sensor. The front-facing camera of the device is 32MP as well. So other features of both devices are pretty much the same. Both devices are rated IP68 and IP69K, and they are both military-grade standard 810H certified. Both devices features GPS, dual hybrid SIM slots, glove mode, NFC, dual 4G voice over LTE. The BV9300 features a laser rangefinder and a 100 lumen flashlight, while the Pro version only has a 100 lumen flashlight. So these are the major differences between the BV9300 Pro and the BV9300. Which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.